So let me say this, okay? आपने जो कहा ना कि you will not do post editing at all. Whatever you want will be straight out of the camera. I think I wanted to actually stop you right there, but then I thought let me allow you to finish it. See, I will say don't worry about post processing. Karo, post processing karo. It is good. Reason why I say that is because see we are running after perfection, not to. Um, okay, let me rephrase that. हम लोग सोच रहे हैं कि मैं जो करूँगा ना परफेक्ट होगा 100%. बट लेट मी टेल यू वन थिंग, वी आर ह्यूमन बींग्स. हमारे डीएनए में लिखा है कि ये बंदा गलती करेगा. गॉट इट? व्हाट आई एम ट्राइंग टू से इज don't run out of perfection to the point where you want to become perfect. Try to be as perfect as you can, but at the same time keep in mind that there will be some wriggle room where you can still improve, and be open to that. Even today when I have to take a particular picture, ऐसा नहीं है मेरे को वो फूल का फोटो लेना है, मैंने एक शॉट मतलब 1 घंटा बिताया, पूरा परम्यूटेशन कॉम्बिनेशन कैलकुलेशन वगैरह करके मैंने लिया फोटो और वो आ गया एकदम से. नो, इट नेवर हैपेंस, राइट? I will take a picture, I will look at it, I will take a few more pictures until I get what I want. Even then, I still know that I have to go back to Photoshop and do some edits here and there. Now, it is one thing to post-process the heck out of it. ठीक है, आप थोड़ा क्रॉप करो, थोड़ा आपने कलर करेक्शन किया, विच इज़ ओके. इट स्टिल डज जस्टिस बिकॉज क्योंकि आपके दिमाग में हुआ होगा थोड़ा सा ऑरेंजिश ह्यू अगर आएगा तो मॉर्निंग फ्रेशनेस लुक आएगा, बट उस समय धूप ऐसा नहीं आ रहा था यार. है कि नहीं? लेकिन उसको थोड़ा हल्का सा ऑरेंज कर दो, इट्स ओके. लेकिन अगर आपने उसमें जाके इतना ऑरेंज डाल दिया, लग रहा है जैसे पता नहीं ऑरेंज जूस फेंक दिया किसी ने, दैट्स दैट्स वियर्ड. और यू हैव मेक द कलर्स ऑफ द फ्लावर पॉप सो मच, लग रहा है कि प्लास्टिक का फूल पड़ा है. इवन दैट डजंट मेक सेंस, है कि नहीं? थोड़ा सा एडिटिंग इज ओके, इट्स फाइन. इट्स नॉट राइट टू थिंक कि नहीं मैं परफेक्ट ही करूँगा, बिकॉज यू विल नेवर डू इट. नॉट यू, मतलब जनरली मैं कह रहा हूँ, नो वन कैन डू इट. यू कैन ट्राई एज मच एज यू वॉन्ट, बट इट्स ओके टू अंडरस्टैंड दैट यू मे नॉट स्टिल गेट व्हाट यू वॉन्ट. The other reason is technicalities. देखो, there is something called forgetting the term here, but it's got to do with how much detail we can see in shadows and in highlights. Shadows मतलब अगर I have taken your picture on a bright sunny day, okay? If we both are standing in a room and talking, when I'm looking at you, I can still see your features on your face clearly. But if I look out the window, I can see what's outside the window also very clearly. But you do the same thing with the camera. Only one of the two things will work properly. There are tricks to handle that to HDR बोलते हैं, but generally a camera cannot, because camera की अपने physical limitations हैं. You pick out the costliest camera in the world, even that will have such limitations, right? It's physics. You can't beat physics, है कि नहीं? And in case of human beings, it's biology also, because our eyes are designed, it has evolved in such a way to be able to look at things in a better light, है कि नहीं? So we have to also keep that in mind. हमारे दिमाग में जो पिक्चर उभर के आ रहा है वो कैमरा शायद ना ले पाए, बिकॉज इट इज़ नॉट केपेबल. फिजिकली नहीं हो सकता. अब उसमें फिर आप क्या करोगे? पोस्ट प्रोसेस करना ही पड़ेगा ना, है कि नहीं? वही धूप वाला केस है. ऑरेंज आपको चाहिए था, दैट इज़ व्हाट यू एम्बिशन, लेकिन वो धूप का कलर येलोइश निकला है. अब उस पर ऑरेंज जूस मारोगे या क्या करोगे? दैट्स अ चॉइस वी नीड टू मेक. And that is where the discipline comes, not running after becoming the Mr. Perfect, but understanding that I am not perfect, but I can come closest to it by doing justice to what I actually saw. I think that is the discipline. खुद की खामियों को accept करना. That is the discipline.
Yeah, I think and most of us fail down at that point itself. Going back to the conversation जहाँ से हमने शुरू किया था कि we somehow don't accept ourselves, we somehow don't want to accept our flaws. Forget publicly, we don't want to accept it in person also. And and as you said, I connect the dots now, that discipline comes from there. One more point that I want to highlight, that as you said initially, it's my show. Whenever I feel that it's ready to go out, I will put it out. That's one point. As a creator, there are times, because we are living in internet driven world, there are times, Shishir, when you create something and you post it, and of course we seek some kind of feedback from the audience and whoever is following up, and we keep on having these conversations offline about our podcasts. But how do you keep yourself driven, that listens I and I, likes I and I have to keep doing my work?
I think it comes down to the fact of how strongly do you believe in your content. आपको अपने कंटेंट पे कितना विश्वास है. अगर आपको अपने कंटेंट पे अच्छा खासा विश्वास है, यू विल नॉट वरी अबाउट कि मुझे ये कब तक करना है. Let me put it this way, it doesn't feel like a chore, it doesn't feel like a job, right? You do it because you want to do it, you need to do it. I think that is a key. You need to do it, right? Exactly. I'll give you an example now. See, till December, Creative Pod, Human Channel were quite consistent. Pretty much week on week I was putting stuff out. फिर दिसंबर में आई टुक अ हाइएटस बिकॉज आई हैड सम पर्सनल थिंग्स टू टेक केयर ऑफ. तो मैंने वहाँ पे ब्रेक लिया एंड आई डिसाइडेड आई टेक अ ब्रेक ऑन एवरीथिंग. एशलर्स भी बंद कर दिया, हेल्सियन पैच सब कुछ बंद कर दिया मैंने, बिकॉज आई फेल्ट कि यार let me take this as an opportunity to take a creative hiatus as well, right? While I was doing that, I was also thinking from a sustainability and scalability standpoint, क्योंकि Creative Pod और Human Channel are pretty broad topics, but after a certain point it becomes a little repetitive, right? अब humanism में और कितना ले आओगे, है कि नहीं? So does it make sense for me to still consistently put out something every week or every other week just because I need to? Not really, because I felt मैं जो बोलना चाहता था, जितना बोलना चाहता था, I think I have put that brunt force में डाल चुका हूँ. Nearly 28 to 27 episodes हैं in both of them, Creative Pod and Human Channel में. तो मैं उतना डाल चुका हूँ. Creative Pod, I could still continue on that because it's a creative which is extremely big, right? You could talk about any creative thing and dive deep into it. But question is that relevant to it? Or why should I do it? वो करना ज़रूरी है कि नहीं? But then again, once you come to nearly 30 episodes, you already have enough content that you can, still hawk it around, right? People can still listen to it. बहुत सारे episodes हो चुके हैं, right? So I felt, let me focus my efforts on something new, and that is where Scrum Call का idea आया, right? So I felt I can channelize that energy, that knowledge into something new, and then make that sort of progress forward. और जब मेरे को कुछ अच्छा पॉइंट आएगा फॉर ह्यूमन चैनल या क्रिएटिव पॉड, आई विल अगेन रिकॉर्ड एन एपिसोड फॉर दैट एंड पुट इट आउट देयर. अगेन गोइंग टू द पॉइंट ऑफ व्हेन आई फील आई एम रेडी फॉर इट, आई विल डू इट. आई एम नॉट फोर्सिंग माई सेल्फ इन टू इट, बिकॉज इफ आई फोर्स माई सेल्फ, आई नो माई कंटेंट विल बी क्रैप. मैं खुद उसको नहीं सुन पाऊंगा, मैं सोचूंगा मैं क्या बकवास कर रहा हूँ, राइट? सो आई नीड टू बी कन्विंस्ड ऑफ माई सेल्फ फर्स्ट. So that is the kind of thing I think we need to think of as creators. Be honest to yourself and your content and your creation. Bhai, you are the creator. You're creating something out of nothing. Even if you write a sentence, before you thought and wrote it down, that sentence never existed, isn't it? But just because you had to put something down does not mean you start writing sentences every single day on some random shit, and then where is the value left in that?